Hey YouTube, Tim Unkert here. In this video I'm going to show you how to delete a package that you previously installed via a package repository. So in a previous video I installed a theme, the Doom theme pack actually, and set up Doom material. But I'm thinking, I can just use some of the default themes. So let me first switch the themes. I'm going to do Alt-X and type in Customize Themes. And then I'm going to go down, I think it's near the bottom probably. I like Wombat, that's pretty good. Let's go up here, let's click Save Theme Settings. So now I don't need all these Doom themes here. If I go down, you see I'll have a ton of these themes that I don't really need. And to get rid of them, it's pretty easy. I can do Alt-X and just type in package delete. And then I'm going to delete Doom/themes. And then if I hit Tab, it auto-completes it and spells out the rest. And I'm just going to hit Enter, and all the themes are deleted. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.